In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a new category in Gmail. We'll go through each step one at a time, ensuring that by the end of this guide, you'll feel confident in setting up your Gmail categories to better organize your inbox. Let's begin by diving into Gmail. If you're not already there, open your preferred internet browser and navigate to the Gmail website. Once you're on the Gmail homepage and logged in, take a moment to observe the layout of your inbox. You probably noticed the default categories such as primary, social, and promotions at the top. These are designed to help you manage different types of emails, but sometimes having your own categories can streamline how you interact with incoming mail. Now, let's move forward to creating your own category. We'll start by going to the settings, which are accessed by clicking on the gear icon in the upper right corner of your Gmail interface. This is where Gmail customization begins. When you click that gear icon, a drop-down menu appears. From there, you want to select See All Settings. It's usually located right at the top of the drop-down menu, making it easy to find. Once you click on it, you'll be taken to a new page brimming with various settings options. Your task here, one of the tabs you'll see at the top of this page, is labeled Inbox. Click on this tab. Now, you're looking at settings specifically geared towards managing your inbox layout and behavior. Here, you'll find options relating to inbox categories. This section will look familiar. Those default categories we mentioned earlier are here, and there's the option to customize further by checking or unchecking these categories according to your preference. For adding a new category, it's important to recognize Gmail doesn't traditionally allow entirely new tabs beyond the defaults. However, using labels can achieve this goal. So we'll move on to creating a label which acts similar to a new category. Direct your attention to the left-hand side of your inbox where labels are listed. Scroll down and select Create New Label. This option is usually found towards the bottom of that list. After clicking, a pop-up will appear asking you to name your new label. You might want to think about what kind of emails you'll be sorting into this new label and name it accordingly for easy identification. Once named, click Create and your new label will seamlessly appear in the list on the left, ready for you to use. Remember, you can use these labels in conjunction with Gmail's filters, so your emails will automatically sort into these pseudo-categories as they arrive. And there you have it, a customized organizational tool within Gmail at your fingertips. Feel free to adjust and create multiple labels until your Gmail interface perfectly suits your needs. Thank you for joining this guide, and happy organizing!